What's SEO? Thanks, Jackie. It's a really good question. Let me answer it for you. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. What's Search Engine Optimization? Search Engine Optimization, or SEO, is a term that is given to a process that is used to help you create content that is fully optimized for certain search engines like Google. Unlike social media, TikToks and Reels, SEO is invisible to the eye for most people and is silent. And because of that, it tends to be a lot more intelligent. Businesses, freelancers and professionals use SEO to get their business on ranking as highly as possible in Google search results, so ranking on the first page of Google when you look for a certain keyword, which means that business is more discoverable in the Google search results. Now, let me give you an example of this from one of my businesses. So if we look at the results of SEO from one of my businesses, and these results are actually taken from my Google Analytics, we can see that over 53% of people are coming to my business through organic search. That organic search is SEO. Only 22 are coming from social media and 13% is direct referral. In 1 month, I've raised this to nearly 73%. So this business is ranking on page 1 of Google. The difference between SEO on Google and SEO on TikTok, I think, is this. To be ranked on the in the high spots and on page 1 of Google, Google have a checklist, if you like, a way of marking your content. If your content is clickbaity, spammy, false, or just not true, you won't rank on page 1 of Google. Whereas on social media, it is possible to go viral with something that is clickbaity or not true, which will make you rank a lot higher for the same key search or keywords on social media than on Google. So for businesses and professionals, the quality of traffic that comes to their website from SEO is going to be a higher quality traffic on Google currently than on platforms like TikTok. This is important to businesses because businesses only want to attract quality traffic. Quality traffic are more likely to pay for something or purchase something. That's why good SEO is important. I've just written a blog about this. It's in my bio. Follow for more.